Why would anyone hand over $1,000 just because you organize some digital vegetables on a wooden stick? It sounds absurd because it absolutely is. I have been looking into a game called Skewer Sort Food Master lately. It follows a very specific and dangerous pattern. You start the game and everything seems innocent enough. You are just matching three identical food items. Maybe it is some corn or a few peppers. You tap and drag them onto the skewers. The game feels snappy. It feels rewarding. Within seconds, a pop-up tells you that you have earned 4 cents. A minute later, you are at 24 cents. You think to yourself that this might actually be an easy way to make some extra pocket change. But then the trap snaps shut. Suddenly, the rewards jump from pennies to hundreds or even thousands of dollars. One level completion might claim to give you over £1,100. Let us be real here. No casual mobile game has that kind of budget. The developers are making a few fractions of a penny every time an advertisement plays on your screen. They are not going to share $1,000 with you. It is a mathematical impossibility. The math simply does not work in your favor. The whole experience is a hollow illusion designed to keep your eyes glued to the screen. The most worrying part is when you try to hit that withdraw button. The app starts demanding your private information. It wants your full name. It wants your phone number. It wants your email address linked to your payment accounts. You are essentially trading your digital privacy for a balance of fake money that does not exist. Think about the risk involved there. If that developer has a data breach, your personal details are gone. They are out in the hands of people who want to exploit that data for their own gain. Even if they actually paid out those tiny 4-cent rewards, is it worth risking your identity? The answer is a hard no. As you progress, the game starts hitting you with constant video ads. You spend more time watching commercials than actually playing the game. This is how they get paid. They prolong your playtime with sub-levels and arbitrary requirements. They might tell you that you need to reach level 5 before you can cash out. Then once you hit that goal, they will likely add another hurdle. It is a cycle of frustration. There are legitimate apps out there that do pay you for your time. They are on the official stores, and they use reputable payment processors. However, those apps are very honest about how little they pay. You have to work for it. You have to put in hours of time just to get a small gift card or a few dollars in a digital wallet. There are no shortcuts to quick wealth through a puzzle game. If a game makes it look easy, they are likely the ones making the money off of you. You are the product in their machine. I have seen hundreds of these apps come and go. They change the theme from food to juice to bubbles, but the scam stays exactly the same. Do not let them waste your time. Do not let them take your data. The best thing you can do for your phone and your sanity is to delete that app immediately. Save your battery and your patience for something that actually respects your time. It is just not worth the headache. Keep your personal details safe and do not fall for these flashy, empty promises.